I've been working really hard to try to figure out a way to make this camera just as powerful as this camera. So we have the Avkans Go 4K, and it's a wireless streaming camera, which is fantastic. But this camera, the 30 times NDI PTZ from Avkans, is even better. Combined with the controller, this is the AV Joy Pro, I needed to find a way that I could make this camera, quote unquote, wireless. Wireless as far as no Ethernet cable run from a switch or the controller to that camera, and that camera not being plugged in. So what I did is I made some cables. I have a battery powering the PTZ, and then I have a battery powering the PTZ controller. I also have a battery powering the Netgear unmanaged switch. I have the controller, the control device, which would be the iPad, and I have a cable run from this switch into a GL-iNet pulley. So I'm coming out of the LAN there into the one of the ports, and then from here I'm going into the controller and the iPad with a dongle. This router, which can be powered by a battery pack. So we have the battery pack going into the Slate AXT 1800, the Ethernet cable going into the camera, and I can take that camera and place it anywhere as long as this router and this router are within range of each other. And I've used them over 300 feet, almost 400 feet apart, and they've worked perfectly. So what does that mean? That means now this camera can wirelessly send its signal to the controller, so that we now have the quality that this camera brings and the versatility of the pan, tilt, zoom, all with wireless live streaming. And I was able to bring that into the Avkans Live app via NDI. The latency is very, very, very negligible.